Good morning, class. Before we formally start our discussion, may I request Mr. Vener Benaventura to kindly please lead us the prayer. Okay, thank you, Mr. Benaventura. Who is the class secretary of this class? Okay, Miss Antonio, kindly please check and monitor our attendance for today. Thank you. Class, before we proceed to our main topic, let's have first an individual motivational activity entitled Guess the Picture. And I will going to flash a picture on the screen, and what are you going to do is to guess what kind of disease is this. Did I make myself clear, class? Okay. Class, let's start. The first picture. Yes, Miss Lapay. Okay, very good. It's COVID-19. The second picture. Yes, Miss Quinto. Okay, very good. It's leptospirosis. The third one. Yes, Mr. Jared. Okay, very good. It's hand, foot, and mouth disease. And the last one is, yes, Mr. Joey. Okay, very good. It's chikungunya. Class, based on the activity that we had a while ago, what do you think is our topic for today? Okay, Miss Soriano? Yes, very good. Our topic for today is all about emerging and re-emerging diseases. Let's start our discussion, class. Let's start with what is emerging diseases. Emerging diseases are those that have newly appeared in a population or have existed but are rapidly increasing in incidence or geographic range. These diseases may caused by new or previously unidentified infectious agents or by known agents whose spread is facilitated by environmental function or changes in host susceptibility. The next one is re-emerging diseases. On the other hand, are infectious diseases that were once under control but are now increasing in incidence or geographic range after a period of decline. This resurgence can be due to factors such as development of antibiotic resistance, changes in public health practices, or environmental changes. Class, here are the some examples of emerging and re-emerging diseases. Number one is leptospirosis. It is a bacterial disease caused by various strains of the Leptospira bacteria. The disease is commonly transmitted to humans through contact with water, soil, or food contaminated with the urine of infected animals, particularly the rodents. The second one is meningosemia. Also known as meningococcal septicemia, is a severe, once and potentially life-threatening infection caused by the bacteria Neisseria meningitis. This bacteria is responsible for meningococcal meningitis as well. The next one, class, is the Spanish flu. It was a global influenza pandemic that occurred in 1918 to 1919. It was caused by the H1N1 influenza A virus. The next one, class, is the hand, foot, and mouth disease. It is a highly contagious viral infection that commonly affect infants and children. It is caused by the enterovirus, which commonly the Coxsackie virus. And the next one, class, is the severe acute respiratory syndrome. It's a viral respiratory illness caused by the SARS coronavirus. The next one, class, is chikungunya. Is a viral disease transmitted to human by infected mosquitoes, particularly the Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus spreadis. The next one, class, is the avian influenza, commonly known as the bird flu. Is a viral disease that primarily affects the birds. In rare cases, it can also infect humans and some other animals. So for the last one class is the COVID-19. It is a highly contagious respiratory illness caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So for your application class, I will be going to divide the class into four groups, and what are you going to do is to make an role play on how to prevent those diseases. And please be guided with this rubric class. So class, for your assignment and your follow-up assignment for today, in one half crosswise, kindly make an explanation about this word. Prevention is better than cure. And also class, do an advanced reading on the file that I sent to your GC because that will be our topic for our next meeting. That's all for today. Goodbye class.